morning, my dear students. I am Satya from Department of Social Science. Now we are going to see about the lesson Geography Lesson 2 Climate and Natural Vegetation of India. Today's topic Book Back Evolution. Roman letter 1. Choose the correct answer. First question. Western disturbances cause rainfall in dash. Answer option C Punjab. Second question. Dash helps in quick ripening of mangoes along the coast of Kerala and Karnataka. Answer option C mango showers. Third question. Dash is a line joining the places of equal rainfall. Answer option A zooids. Fourth question. Climate of India is labeled as dash. Answer option C tropical monsoon climate. Fifth question. The monsoon forests are otherwise called as dash. Answer option B deciduous forest. Sixth question. Sechachalam Hills, a biosphere reserve, is situated in dash. Answer option B Andhra Pradesh. Seventh question. Students listen here. Seventh question in your book have dash is a part of world network. That's wrong. Dash is not a part of world network. Add not. Okay. Dash is not a part of the world network biosphere reserves of UNESCO. Answer option D Kutch. Second Roman letter match the following. First question Sundarbans. Answer West Bengal. Second question biodiversity hotspot. Answer the Himalayas. Third question northeast monsoon. Answer October to December. Fourth question tropical thorn forest. Answer desert and semi-desert vegetation. Fifth question coastal forest. Answer littoral forest. Third Roman letter. Consider the given statements and choose the correct option from the given below ones. First question assertion A. The Himalayas acts as a climatic barrier. Reason or the Himalayas prevents cold winds from Central Asia and keep the Indian subcontinent warm. Okay, option for these questions. Option A. Both A and R are true. R explains A. Option B. Both A and R are true. R does not explain A. Option C. A is true, R is false. Option D. A is false, R is true. Students, which one is the correct answer? Option A. Both A and R are true, R explains A. Option A only correct answer. Okay. Next, Roman letter 4. Choose a inappropriate answer. First question. Tidal forests are found in and around dash. Answer option A desert. Second question. The climate of India is affected by dash. Answer option D soil. Roman letter 5th. Fifth Roman letter answer briefly. First question. List the factors affecting climate of India. Page number 144. Students, take page number 144. 144 left side 2.1 affecting the factors affecting the climate. The three lines. The climate of India is affected by the factors of latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, monsoon wind, relief features and jet streams. The three lines. This short answer 1. Second question. What is mean by normal lapse rate? Page number 144. Students, take page number 144. Right side, altitude heading. The 4 lines. Altitude heading, first 4 lines. When the altitude increases, the temperature decreases. The temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meters of ascent. It is called a normal lapse rate. Third question. What are jet streams? Page number 145. Students, take page number 145. Jet streams heading. The paragraph fully. From jet stream to retreating monsoon. Jet stream paragraph fully. Short answer 3. Short answer 4. Write a short note on monsoon wind. Page number 145. Page number 145, right side, 2.2, monsoon heading. First paragraph fully. From the word monsoon to southwest during winter. The first paragraph fully. Fifth question. Name the 4 distinct seasons of India. Page number 146. Seasons heading. Seasons heading. The meteorologists recognize the 4 distinct seasons in India. They are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The 4 seasons fully. Winter season, summer season, southwest monsoon or rainy season, and northeast monsoon season. Next, 6th question. What is burst of monsoon? Page number 147. Page number 147, left side, first paragraph, first 6 line. From prior to the onset to 6th line, break or burst of monsoon. That's all. This 6th question. Next, 7th question. Name the areas which receive heavy rainfall. Page number 148. Page number 148, left side, 2.3, distribution of rainfall heading. Second paragraph, first 4 line. The western coast, Assam, South Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh are the heavy rainfall areas which get more than 200 centimeter rainfall. Okay, this 7th question. Next, 8th question. State the places of mangrove forest in India. Page number 151. Page number 151. Tidal forest heading. Fourth line. The delta of Ganga Brahmaputra has the largest tidal forest, and the deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna rivers are also known as tidal forest. These are also known as mangrove forest. This short answer 8. Next, 9th question. Write any 5 biosphere reserves in India. Page number 151. Students, see page number 151, right side, biosphere reserves in India heading. Second line, the Gulf of Mannar. Gulf of Mannar, Nanda Devi, Nilgiris, Snow Creek, Pachmarhi, Simlipal, Sundarbans, Agastya Malai, Great Nicobar, Great Nicobar, Kanchenjunga and Amargandak. Students, you write any 5. Okay. Short answers over. Next, Roman letter 6, distinguish between. First question, weather and climate. Students, C. Second question, tropical evergreen forest and deciduous forest. C. Third question, northeast monsoon and southwest monsoon. Students, C. Next, Roman letter 7, give reasons. First question, western coastal plain is narrow. Students, C. Second question, India has a tropical monsoon climate. C. Third question, mountains are cooler than the plains. C. Next, Roman letter 7, answer in detail. First question, write about southwest monsoon. Page number 146, 147. Students, take page number 146 and 7. Page number 146, 3. Southwest monsoon or rainy season. Heading fully. And then page number 147, left side. Left side fully. Then right side, the 3 lines of top. Up to rainfall is received from this monsoon. Three, southwest monsoon or rainy season fully. This detail 1. Second detail, describe the forest of India. Page number 148, 149, 151. Students, take page number 148. 148, left side, 2.4, natural vegetation heading, third paragraph. On the basis of the above factors, the natural vegetation of India can be divided into the following types. And all forest, tropical evergreen forest fully, and tropical deciduous forest fully, and tropical dry forest, semi-forest, mountain and montane forest, and alpine forest, and tidal forest, up to tidal forest. Last line, tidal forests are also known as mangrove forest. This detail 2. Next, Roman letter 9, map. Mark the following on the outline map of India. First, direction of southwest monsoon. Students, see, southwest monsoon. This one, southwest monsoon. Second, direction of northeast monsoon wind. Students, see, northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon, arrow down. Southwest monsoon, upper arrow. Okay. Next, areas of heavy rainfall. Areas of heavy rainfall. See, areas of heavy rainfall. Fourth, mountain forest. This one, mountain forest. Next, fifth one, Panna Biosphere Reserve. See the dot. Panna Biosphere Reserves. Sixth one, Agastya Malai Biosphere Reserve. This Agastya Malai Biosphere Reserve. Students, book back evaluation over. Next, homework. Students, all are take a diary. Note today's homework. Page number 153, Roman letter 9. Mark the following on the outline map of India. Do the map work. And Roman letter 6. Distinguish between 3 questions. Read thoroughly. We will meet next class. Bye.